Hi guys, you guys are entering into your Visual Rhetorical Analysis essay, VRAE for short. So when you analyze that video or ad, I just wanted to talk to you about what you may look for. So go back to your videos about ethos, pathos, and logos, and elements of ethos might look like a history of the product. Do they mention a history of the product? How many times has it been updated? How long has it been around? They might set some precedent about, hey, this has been around a long time, so it's a good product, it's reliable, people like it. Spokesperson, maybe there's a famous person who's putting a plug in for that ad, or they're featured in the ad. Somebody who is definitely identifiable. Credibility, how credible or honest is the producer of the video or the company? How long is the company that is sponsoring the advertisement been in business? What is their reputation that you are familiar with? Just do a quick Google search, see what people are saying, or by personal experience you might know too. Pathos. So this one definitely touches appeal. And if you see any of these in the ad through colors, through music, through shots, slow motion, like focal point is as far as the video, what does it focus in? What does it back up and panorama see? What else? There was something else I was going to say. Oh, the speed at which the video is being filmed. Do they do like rip through it, fast forward, or do they slow down the speed of the video? Is there sex appeal in there? That's pathos. Is there a sad scene? Is there honor? Is there patriotism? Is there a flag showing? Just know that every single item in that visual, in that ad, has been placed strategically in there. These people spend a lot of time making sure that this video is as persuasive as possible and that it would appeal to as many people as possible, or their demographic that they're aiming for. So keep in mind, there's placement, product placement, and it's not just products, it's items that maybe even symbolize things. Is there snobbery in the ad? Is there imagery that provokes a certain emotion? Is there an inspiring song? Does there show some devastation, maybe from our hurricanes or our forest fires or any other devastation? Flooding, cultural affectations. So what does Colin Kaepernick, what do you think of the minute you see him? And or what is the affectation that he stands for? Overcoming great odds, and even love. So if you happen to run across logos, you might find that they mention statistics or exhibit or display statistics, facts, charts, graphs, historical data, and even the features of the product. It has a slim screen, let's just say a phone. It has a slim size, it's a certain size. It has a shiny cover. It has a pretty blue background. The camera has these different features, and so on and so forth. So when you view that ad or the image, think about the music that's playing in the background. Think about the color that's going on, that they exhibit, and then research what those colors mean in advertisement. Serious, color implies a lot and can be very persuasive. Again, the video shots, are they close up? Are they from a distance? What's the framing like? What's the framing? They got the focal point. Is the back blurred or is the back visually seen? What type of font do they use? And what size do they use? How prominent is the writing? Quality of image, is it grainy? Is it low quality? Or is it high quality? Are the pixels like 1,000,000 pixels? So hopefully this will help you with your analysis. And if not, please reach out. Hope you guys have a great day.